Imagine using the power of dark psychology to make someone miss you deeply when you're not around. In this video, we're going to delve into techniques that can create a sense of longing and desire, making him or her think about you constantly. These methods are powerful and should be used responsibly to foster genuine connections. Let's explore how you can use these tactics to become an unforgettable presence in their life and make them miss you more than ever. Number 1, create memorable experiences. To make someone miss you, create memorable experiences that they'll associate with you. Plan activities that are unique and enjoyable, so they can't help but think of you when recalling those moments. For example, take them to a hidden gem restaurant that offers an extraordinary dining experience, complete with live music and a stunning view. Alternatively, you can plan a surprise picnic in a beautiful location, complete with their favorite snacks and a comfortable setup. These special experiences create lasting memories, making them think of you fondly, even when you're not together. By introducing them to new hobbies or activities that they enjoy, you leave a lasting impression that they'll associate with your time together, further enhancing the bond. Number 2, give them space. Giving someone space can actually increase their longing for you. By not always being available, you create a sense of scarcity, making them value the time they spend with you more. For example, if they ask to hang out, occasionally mention that you have other plans. This doesn't mean playing hard to get excessively, but rather creating a balance where they start to miss your presence. When they realize that your time is not always guaranteed, they'll begin to appreciate and miss it more. This strategy also gives them time to reflect on your interactions and realize how much they enjoy your company. Number 3, be mysterious. Keeping an air of mystery can make you more intriguing and unforgettable. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Share your stories and experiences gradually, leaving them curious to know more about you. For instance, if they ask about your weekend plans, you could say, "I had an interesting adventure. I'll tell you all about it sometime." This sense of mystery keeps them engaged and makes them think about you more often. Being a bit elusive can make them want to uncover more about you, increasing their anticipation and longing. The mystery adds depth to your personality, making every encounter with you feel like a new discovery. Number 4, use positive reinforcement. When you do spend time together, make it as positive and enjoyable as possible. Compliment them, make them laugh, and show appreciation for their company. For example, you might say, "I always have such a great time when we hang out," or "You really know how to make a day special." These positive reinforcements make them associate you with happiness and fun, making them miss those good times when you're not around. Creating a joyful and positive atmosphere makes your presence something they'll look forward to and miss. Positive reinforcement can also include recognizing their achievements and expressing how much you value their presence in your life. Number 5, leave a personal touch. Leave behind something small that reminds them of you, such as a note, a gift, or even a scent. For instance, if you leave a handwritten note in their book or a small gift in their bag, they'll be reminded of you when they come across it later. This personal touch creates a sense of closeness and keeps you in their thoughts. Another example is wearing a distinctive scent that lingers after you leave, creating a sensory reminder of your presence. These small gestures can evoke strong memories and emotions, making them miss you more. The personal touch shows that you care and think about them even when you're not together, deepening the emotional connection. Number 6, be unpredictable. Being unpredictable can make someone think about you more. Surprise them with unexpected messages or spontaneous plans. For instance, send them a thoughtful text out of the blue or plan an impromptu outing. This unpredictability keeps things exciting and makes them wonder about what you'll do next, keeping you on their mind. Unpredictability adds an element of surprise and excitement to your relationship, making your interactions more memorable and engaging. By breaking the routine and introducing spontaneity, you create an atmosphere of excitement and anticipation. Number 7, show genuine interest. Showing genuine interest in their life, thoughts, and feelings is essential. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share more about themselves. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" Ask, what was the most interesting part of your day? This approach shows that you value their experiences and opinions, making them feel important and understood. Following up on previous conversations also shows that you care and remember what they've shared, deepening your connection and making them miss your attentive presence. Genuine interest builds a strong emotional bond, making them feel valued and appreciated. Number 8, share meaningful conversations. Engage in deep, meaningful conversations that go beyond surface-level topics. Discuss your dreams, fears, and aspirations, and encourage them to do the same. For instance, you could say, "What's something you've always wanted to do but haven't had the chance yet?" These conversations create a deeper emotional bond, making them think of you when pondering those topics. Sharing meaningful conversations helps build a strong connection that they'll miss when you're not around. These deep discussions create a sense of intimacy and trust, making your bond stronger and more profound. Number 9, be supportive. Show support for their goals, dreams, and aspirations. Encourage them and be their cheerleader. For example, if they mention a goal they're working towards, offer words of encouragement and ask about their progress. You might say, "I know you've been working hard on that project. How's it going?" Being supportive shows that you care about their success and well-being, which can deepen their attachment to you. Your support makes them feel valued and understood, creating a bond they'll miss when you're not there. Being supportive also means celebrating their achievements and offering a listening ear when they face challenges. Number 10, maintain a positive attitude. People are naturally attracted to positivity. Maintain an upbeat and optimistic attitude around them. Share positive stories, express gratitude, and avoid complaining. For example, instead of dwelling on a bad day, focus on the good parts and share those. You could say, "Today was tough, but I managed to finish that report early, which felt great." A positive attitude can make you more enjoyable to be around and create a pleasant atmosphere that they'll want to be part of. Your positivity can be infectious, making them miss the uplifting energy you bring to their life. A positive outlook can also inspire and motivate them, creating a supportive and encouraging environment. Number 11, be confident and authentic. Confidence and authenticity are incredibly attractive traits. Be confident in who you are and let your true personality shine through. For example, share your passions and interests with enthusiasm, and don't be afraid to express your opinions. Authenticity builds trust and respect, making them feel more comfortable and drawn to you. Embrace your quirks and unique traits, as they make you stand out and create a genuine connection. Confidence exudes self-assurance and makes you more compelling, while authenticity fosters genuine relationships that they'll miss. Being authentic means being true to yourself and not trying to be someone you're not, which is key to building lasting connections. Number 12, create anticipation. Leave them wanting more by creating anticipation for future plans. Talk about things you'd like to do together in the future, making them look forward to those moments. For instance, you might say, "I can't wait to show you this amazing place I discovered." Or, "We should definitely plan a road trip next month." Creating anticipation keeps them excited about spending time with you and makes them miss you in the meantime. The promise of future adventures keeps your connection alive and gives them something to look forward to. This anticipation keeps your bond strong and makes your presence even more cherished. Attractiveness is a combination of inner and outer qualities. If you want to change yourself within the next 3 months and become a better, more updated version of yourself, write in the comments, "I will improve myself in the next 3 months." This simple affirmation will activate your subconscious mind and help you achieve your goal. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching!